Hey everybody, it's Chris again. This is part 7 in the series where we're going to deal with jumper settings. So hopefully you completed part 6 where you got the parts all installed and powered it up. And now we're going to get into the jumper settings depending on what kind of EEPROMs you have on the board. The following section will show how to modify an AS-2518-35 MPU board from the original PROM chips to newer 2732 EEPROMs. Do not perform this process until your board passes self-test with the original PROMs. Start by removing chips U1 and U2 and U6. Remove the E4 to E1 jumper. Remove the E2 to E6 jumper. Jumper E7 to E8 must remain. Remove E12 to E36 jumper. Remove jumper E13 to E15. E31 to E32 must stay. Remove jumper E16 to E19. Remove E33 to E34. And remove E9 to E11. Now we're going to install jumper E10 to E11. Install E12 to ground. Install E13A to E4. Install E29 to E16A. Install E33 to E35. E7 to E8 was not removed. E31 to E32 was not removed. Let's verify the correct jumpers for 2732 EPROMs on an AS-2518-35 MPU board. E4 to E13A, E7 to E8, E10 to E11, E12 to ground, E16A to E29, E31 to E32, E33 to E35. This shows U1, U2, and U6 that were removed. These will be replaced by new U2 and U6 chips. U1 will not be needed. These are freshly programmed U2 and U6 chips. Let's apply power. Seven flashes. That's good. Our board is repaired and now updated to 2732 EPROMs with new jumpers installed.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. This is Chris, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and hopefully we've helped you repair your board. Hopefully you got it back in your pinball machine, and maybe you're already playing some good pinball. So please subscribe and like, and watch for more videos on other electronic projects. Have a great day.